Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Terabox app crashing problem, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix your Terabox app crashing problem, guys, we will be required to go to 3 or 4 fixes in order to fix the Terabox app crashing problem. So in order to proceed, first open up the settings of your phone and not the Terabox app itself. After opening your settings, guys, on this interface, navigate to the apps option. So to do that, let's scroll down and you can see the apps option available for us over here just above the location. Tap on apps and again tap on the app management button at the top of the screen over here. And when this loads, guys, we will be required to search for the Terabox app on this interface by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen. And let's search for Terabox and let's open it over here. And when this panel of the Terabox opens, guys, you can see the storage usage option available for us over here just below the data usage. Tap on storage usage, guys, and you land over here where you can see the clear cache data button available for us over here. But because I had cleared the cache of my Terabox app recently, there is no clear cache button. But in your case, you can see there will be the clear cache button. First, try clearing your cache of the Terabox app on your phone by tapping on the clear cache button. And after clearing your cache, again reopen your Terabox app on your phone and check either your crashing problem of your Terabox app is fixed or not. And after clearing your cache, guys, if it's still not fixed, then we will be required to open the Play Store of our phone in order to check either there is an update for an Terabox app, because sometimes when the app is updated on the Terabox, it might cause a lag on your phone because of the update available. So let's first search for Terabox, and after searching for Terabox, guys, let's open it. And you can see, guys, currently there is the open button available for me, but in your case, if there is an update available for the Terabox, tap on the update button, and after you have updated your Terabox app on your phone, try checking either your Terabox is functioning properly or not. And after trying these 2 fixes, guys, if it's still not fixed or your Terabox app is not fixed or still crashing, then go back to the settings, and on this interface where you have cleared the cache, you can see the clear data button available for us. So guys, before you clear your data, you need to know, I think, that there will be a risk that it will clear out all of your account data as well as your storage or whatever you have uploaded on your drive. So with that being said, guys, with all of the risk known, tap on the clear data, and after tapping on the clear data button, guys, your Terabox app's data will be cleared out and you'll be required to log into your Terabox app from the new. So that being said, guys, after clearing a Terabox, you log into your Terabox app and check either your Terabox app is fixed or not. And with that being said, guys, these were the 3 fixes. And even after, if you have tried all of these fixes and not still fixed them, open up the Play Store on your phone again on the Terabox section, guys. In order for the first procedure, tap on the uninstall button to uninstall the Terabox app on your phone, and again reinstall the Terabox app from the Play Store. With that being done, guys, many of the files that were causing error on the Terabox app will be fixed because we have reinstalled it. And with that being said, guys, after trying these 4 fixes, your Terabox app crashing problem will be fixed on your phone. And that being said, guys, this is how to fix Terabox app crashing on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.